Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that resonates deeply with many of us: rejection, particularly in romantic contexts. Whether it's an unexpected breakup, unrequited love, or simply not being chosen, rejection can be a heavy burden to bear. It can leave us feeling disheartened and questioning our self-worth. But what if I told you that Stoicism, a philosophy that emphasizes resilience, emotional strength, and self-control, offers valuable insights to turn that painful experience into an opportunity for growth? In this video, we'll explore 8 key steps to help you reframe rejection and use it to your advantage. Let's dive in. 1. Accept your emotions. Accepting your emotions is the first and most crucial step in dealing with rejection. When you experience rejection, it's completely normal to feel a whirlwind of emotions: sadness, anger, confusion, or even relief, depending on the context. Allowing yourself to feel these emotions is essential because it acknowledges your humanity. For example, you might find yourself feeling heartbroken after a breakup. Instead of pushing those feelings down or pretending they don't exist, take time to sit with them. You could try journaling about your emotions, which helps in articulating what you're feeling and why. Ask yourself questions like, what specifically am I feeling? Is it sadness, anger, disappointment? This self-reflection can provide clarity and help you identify the core issues at play. Remember, it's okay to grieve what you've lost. Emotions are signals that help us process experiences. Give yourself permission to express these feelings, whether it's through crying, talking to a friend, or engaging in a creative outlet like painting or music. Accepting your emotions is the first step towards healing and moving forward. 2. Focus on what you can control. Focusing on what you can control is a core principle in Stoicism. Often, when we face rejection, we become consumed with thoughts about what we wish we could change, like the outcome of a romantic interest or the decisions of others. This fixation can lead to feelings of helplessness and frustration. Instead, shift your focus to what you can actually influence: your reactions, thoughts, and actions. For instance, if you've been rejected, ask yourself, how can I respond in a way that promotes my growth? This could involve seeking feedback on your approach to dating, or even how you present yourself. Consider setting personal goals that are within your control. For example, you might decide to work on improving your communication skills, expanding your social circle, or even taking up a new hobby that excites you. Each small step you take towards self-improvement empowers you to reclaim your agency and transform your experience of rejection into a catalyst for growth. 3. Reframe the experience. Reframing the experience of rejection is a powerful tool that can help transform pain into growth. Instead of viewing rejection as a personal failure, look at it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Take a moment to reflect on what you can learn from the situation. For example, if you were rejected after asking someone out, think about what you can gain from that moment. Perhaps it reveals qualities you value in a partner or highlights areas where you may need to improve, such as confidence or social skills. You might ask yourself, what does this teach me about my preferences in relationships? By reframing rejection in this way, you can cultivate a sense of curiosity rather than despair. This process not only helps you make sense of the experience, but also empowers you to approach future relationships with greater clarity and resilience. Practice gratitude. Practicing gratitude is a transformative habit that can significantly improve your outlook during tough times, including rejection. When faced with feelings of loss, it's all too easy to focus on what you don't have. Instead, consciously redirect your thoughts to the positive aspects of your life. Consider starting a gratitude journal. Each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for, regardless of how small they might seem. This could be as simple as a warm cup of coffee in the morning, a supportive friend, or a beautiful sunset. Focusing on gratitude helps shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. For instance, after a rejection, instead of fixating on that pain, you might reflect on the loving relationships you do have, friends who support you or family who cares for you. This practice can cultivate a sense of appreciation and resilience, making it easier to navigate the emotional landscape of rejection. 5. Cultivate resilience. Cultivating resilience is about developing the inner strength to bounce back from adversity. Each rejection presents an opportunity to build this essential quality. Reflect on past challenges you faced and how they shaped you. For example, think about a time when you experienced a setback, whether in your career, studies, or personal life. What qualities did you draw upon to overcome that challenge? Maybe it was determination, creativity, or support from others. Recognizing your capacity to overcome difficulties will help you approach rejection with a growth mindset. To actively cultivate resilience, consider setting small, achievable goals for yourself after a rejection. This could involve trying a new activity, meeting new people, or even developing a new skill. Celebrate these small victories, as each one reinforces your resilience and reminds you that you can bounce back stronger than before. 6. Engage in self-improvement. Engaging in self-improvement is a proactive way to channel the energy you might otherwise spend on dwelling on rejection. Use this time as an opportunity to invest in yourself. Identify areas of interest or skills you've always wanted to develop. For example, if you've always wanted to learn a new language, take that leap and enroll in a class. If fitness has been on your mind, start a workout routine or join a local sports team. Engaging in activities that excite you not only boosts your self-esteem, but also enriches your life. Consider creating a list of personal development goals. This could include reading a certain number of books a month, learning a new skill, or even volunteering in your community. As you immerse yourself in these pursuits, you'll find that your focus shifts away from rejection and towards personal growth, which can lead to new opportunities and connections in your life. 7. Maintain perspective. Maintaining perspective is essential when dealing with rejection. It's crucial to remember that rejection is a universal experience. Everyone faces it at some point in their lives. It doesn't define your worth or your potential for future relationships. To help maintain perspective, consider keeping a journal where you document both your successes and challenges. Reflect on times when you faced rejection and how it ultimately led to new opportunities or personal growth. You might also find it helpful to remind yourself of successful figures who faced numerous rejections before achieving their dreams. For instance, famous authors like J.K. Rowling and Stephen King faced multiple rejections before their works were published. Their stories serve as powerful reminders that persistence is key. This perspective can help you view rejection as part of the process rather than a final verdict on your value, reinforcing the idea that each experience contributes to your journey. 8. Connect with others. Finally, connecting with others is vital for emotional healing. Don't hesitate to reach out to friends, family, or support groups to share your feelings and experiences. Engaging in supportive conversations can provide comfort and help you gain new perspectives on your situation. Consider joining social groups or clubs that align with your interests. This not only helps you meet new people, but also fosters a sense of belonging and community. Surrounding yourself with positive, uplifting individuals can create an environment that encourages healing and growth. Additionally, consider participating in activities that promote social interaction, such as volunteering or attending community events. These experiences can help you feel connected and remind you that you're not alone in your journey. Sharing your thoughts can also help you process your emotions and realize that many others have faced similar challenges. By applying these Stoic principles, you can turn the experience of rejection into a stepping stone for personal growth and development. Remember, each rejection is not the end. It's an opportunity for self-discovery and resilience. Embrace the journey ahead, armed with the lessons you've learned. The path may be challenging, but it's also filled with potential and promise for a brighter future. If you found these insights helpful and are ready to embrace rejection as a stepping stone to personal growth, please give this video a thumbs up. Share it with a friend who might need a little encouragement, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content like this. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's one lesson you've learned from a past rejection? And to spread positivity, comment the word growth below to remind yourself and others that every experience is an opportunity for personal development. Let's support each other on this journey. Remember, resilience is key, and together we can turn setbacks into comebacks.